My name is Mark Hansen. My wife, Kate, and myself moved into this house about 8 months ago. We have 61 solar panels, which is enough to run our house and both of our electric cars. Our own house was something we had direct control over, and we could make the changes we wanted to see ourselves and try to lead by example. A lot of people hear net zero and they think, oh, it looks like a grain silo, or it's a dome. And it doesn't have to look wacky, and more homes are popping up that are net zero that look like any other home. You wouldn't know this is a net zero house just by walking into it.
There are a lot of things that people can do to improve their energy efficiency and to make a home net zero or even close to net zero. And so if they were to take some of the things that were done here even, it would make a huge difference.
We have a number of south-facing windows, which allows us to gather free heat from the sun in the winter. In the summer, the roof is shaped so that the sun does not come in and hit the dark tile. We have 11.5-inch walls, so that gives us 11 inches of space for insulation. We have the geothermal with 14 100-foot deep wells out in our backyard.
We have a GCT-024, which is a combo unit. It does radiant in-floor hot water heating along with forced air heating and air conditioning. We're doing 100% of the domestic hot water with a high temperature unit.
That was an early decision in the design phase, because in addition to the capability of powering it with electricity, we power it at an incredibly high efficiency level. You can't match the efficiency of a geothermal heat pump, and it's quiet. You don't hear air piping through vents at 3 in the morning because air isn't piping through vents. It's heated up. The floor just radiates that heat up. It's wonderful.
My favorite feature on Mark and Kate's house would be, again, that it's a house that they love to be in. One of the greatest testaments to that I heard from Mark recently is he's finding that he's staying home more because he enjoys being there so much.
This house has been life-changing for my wife and I. We expected to get a house that was net zero when we moved in. And we expected to love the house because it's a new house, and when you build a new house, you'll love it. But, here we're going on 7 or 8 months, and we still every week say how much we love this house. It's improved our health. It's improved our amount of free time. It's comfortable, and it's quiet. We love that quiet. I just can't say enough about it or the entire crew that helped turn this into a reality.